Today, GITEX is extremely important for Mindware. We have been here for many, many years, and we are starting a podcast about the announcement about Magic that we're going to do today. So I have 3 questions to ask you. The first question I wanted to ask you is, there is a lot of projects in which you have been working in this region, big projects.
Yeah.
But I wanted to have your perspective on the mid-size companies, about their adoption, and how do you think we could help together?
Yeah. I think in the region we had a lack of data center readiness. So we have been working very heavy the last 2-3 years. That was number one, because if you don't have the capabilities to bring our technology, we cannot deploy at scale, or you cannot bring those use cases that are so important today, right? So this is number one. Number two, I would say building from a local stage through our partners like you, of course, a community and ecosystem is extremely important for us. So that was one of the first things that we have done now 5 years ago. And just to mention, we are more than 500 startups, and we were 0 like 3 years ago, and today we are like 150 on Gen AI, which is very important to us. Yeah, I would say if you really see what can really help those mid-enterprise size companies today, it's just simply to start. I think what they are scared is on starting. Don't start big. Don't think you want to do everything in organization just from the first day. Select 1 or 2 successful projects that you want to deploy, and that would be one of the recommendations. Globally and locally also, you know that LLM has been in everybody's mouth, and I think here with Falcon, JEs, and of course Alam in Saudi, it has been very strong and proven all the direction from this. But today we're moving to agentic AI and reasoning AI, so I think that's the next big thing. And we are very strong in the UAE and Saudi mainly, but I would say Middle East.
Yes, that's very good. And actually this ISV play is extremely important, and the startup play, because I have seen many small companies that actually want to start projects, and they don't know how to start with. And they are looking on which industries they could play, which products they could implement. Have you seen an industry, for example, airlines or telco or healthcare, one industry that you were not expecting them to move that fast on AI, and actually they are moving? No.
I would say all the ones we expect not moving are not moving.
Are not moving. Yeah.
That's okay, right? So it's not a surprise, and I think as this AI wave is getting on more mature point, those slower players will start seeing the opportunity, right? So you need first adopters, customers, and I think those are at least here in the region, like all the governments are very much into. As you know, we have a ministry only for artificial intelligence, and was the first and very unique.
Which is impressive. Yeah.
We got, for instance, in like a couple of weeks ago, I think, a full delegation of Chief AI Office from the UAE into NVIDIA HQ, and we were like 43 guys coming to see us, right? So that's really helping us for this AI adoption.
Yeah, fantastic. Okay, so today we are launching Magic. Our objective is to really tackle the SMB market. Any advice you would give me to tackle this SMB market, to move from piloting to production, more adoption?
So I don't trust on piloting or POC concept. I think when you want to buy a car, either you buy it or you don't buy it. So I see these as the same way, right? Either you want to do it or you don't do it. Now, my advice is back on my first question. It's you have to jump, right? You have to start in some point. Important is not to get the most complex issue the first. Just pick something you feel comfortable, make it successful, and then move forward. For me, having all your own data from your own company into an intelligent system, that's number one priority. You need to understand where you go, what you do, so that should be, at least for all those companies, number one priority.
Marc, thank you very much. It was a pleasure to have you.
Happy.
Very happy, and I hope NVIDIA will keep ramping up the same way. This is an impressive company, and I've been so pleased to work with you guys. So thank you, Marc.
Same thing, guys. Pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you.